vaporization. Basically, vaporization refers to the change of phase, or we can say change of state from liquid to the gases. So when there is conversion from liquid to the gaseous state, it is known as vaporization. Actually, vaporization is of two types. One is evaporation and the other is boiling. So let us differentiate between evaporation and between boiling. So let us make a table. Evaporation, boiling. In the case of evaporation, during evaporation, in both of these cases there is a change of state from liquid to the gaseous state. But during evaporation, there is no formation of bubbles. Whereas in boiling, the bubbles are formed. So this was the first main difference between both of them. In evaporation, there is no formation of bubbles, whereas in the case of boiling, the bubbles are formed during boiling process. When the evaporation occurs, it always occurs at the surface. That means it is a surface phenomena. Whereas boiling occurs in the bulk. That means in the entire surface or in the entire mass. So it is a bulk phenomena. So we can say boiling because it occurs in the entire surface. So it is the bulk phenomena, and evaporation, it is the surface phenomena. Also, in the case of evaporation, we can say that it is like a normal process. It is a normal process and no additional temperature or no additional heat is given during evaporation. Whereas in the case of boiling, additional heat is given during boiling. So if we want to take an example, we can say that when we place our wet clothes outside to make them dry, no additional heat is given to them, no bubbles are formed in it, and it is a surface phenomena. So examples of evaporation can include drying of clothes. The heat that is required during evaporation is the heat that they get from the sun. So sun's heat is required during the process of evaporation. Whereas when we are boiling a liquid, for example, when we are boiling water, so additional heat is provided from the gas stove and there is formation of bubbles and the boiling occurs in the entire mass. So this was the difference between boiling and evaporation. Both have the change from liquid to the gaseous state, but their varieties of concepts are different. So we can say that both are the types of vaporization, but certain properties are different. In the difference between evaporation and boiling, you can always say that evaporation is a very slow process because additional heat is not given during evaporation, so the process is very slow. Whereas in boiling, because the heat is supplied, so it is a relatively quick process. So this was the difference between evaporation and boiling.